now final, who has to deliver? So I will request the team of GHB and especially Mr. Ajay Hans, because he is the managing director
in Gujarat, which is for the Western Railway, where we have set up a chairman, Mr. Jahid Bijapura. He is there, who is the promoter and chairman of this group. Then we have Mr. Akbar Ali Masamji. He is our group's division, where we do recycling of ferrous and non-ferrous in the name of, there are two companies. One is Green Petrochem and other is Globe Resources. And we are almost doing $1 billion business in UAE. We're doing the hotel project here also and the hospital project as and when that gets approved.
These two hotels are awarded to you today, one 3-star and one 5-star. You have to design yourself, construct and lease out. Thank you. Targets and how we are going to achieve together. Thank you, Mr.
Thank you, Mr. Rana. Good morning to everybody. First of all, it's his initiative to develop this smart manufacturing hub in Middle East, which will be becoming a central point for the world for manufacturing advanced latest technology products. Now, we have associated with them as a partner, as an EPC partner, to do any kind of construction on this project, and we will be definitely here to do all your construction needs, and we are here to work along with the team to expedite various
I want always demanding side from my end. My targets will be tough, but finally we all has to.
From our side towards engineering, project management, we will be providing all kind of support and cooperation with all the team members and expedite this project and try to finish within timelines. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Ajay. So I will